Hello, Pre-Algebra, and welcome to the last week before your holiday break. So this week, Monday and Tuesday, we're going to continue working on our background skills for the coordinate plane and finding perimeter and area. Make sure that you're following each step in order that's listed in Schoology, step by step, following all the directions, making sure to read carefully. On Wednesday, we have a quiz, very simple short quiz to just check to see that you know your basic skills to move forward. And then on Thursday and Friday, we have some fun graphing pictures. You can graph 1 to 2 pictures a day or more if you even choose. And then I'd love if you'd post in the assignment your final picture so that we can all view it. So that's optional, but that would be wonderful if you did. And everyone have a safe, happy break, and we'll see you quarter 3. Have a wonderful week.